John Luman Smith, conceived June 5, 1969, is an American lawyer who has served in the U.S. Division of Equity as an aide U.S. lawyer, acting U.S. lawyer, and top of the division's Public Respectability Area. He was additionally the main examiner at the Kosovo Expert Chambers, a global council at The Hague entrusted with researching and arraigning atrocities in the Kosovo War. In November 2022, Principal Legal Officer Merrick Wreath named Smith a free exceptional direction, liable for administering 2 prior Equity Division criminal examinations concerning previous President Donald Trump, 3 days after Trump reported his 2024 official mission. One in regards to Best's job in the January 6 U.S. State House assault, and the other into asserted misusing of government records, including characterized reports. The records case brought about a 37-include prosecution of Trump in June 2023, to which 3 includes were subsequently included July. In August, the January 6 case brought about a prosecution on 4 charges. Early life and schooling. Smith was brought into the world on June 5, 1969. He experienced childhood in Dirt, New York, a suburb of Syracuse. He moved on from Liverpool Secondary School in 1987, where he played football and baseball. He then concentrated on political theory at the State College of New York at Wananunta, graduating in 1991 with a 4-year education in liberal arts, summa cum laude. Smith then went to Harvard Graduate School, from which he graduated cum laude in 1994 with a level of jury specialist. Profession. Subsequent to moving on from graduate school, Smith joined the Manhattan Lead Prosecutor's Office, filling in as colleague lead prosecutor. He was an individual from the sex wrongdoings and aggressive behavior at home units of the DA's office. He joined the U.S. Lawyer's Office for the Eastern Locale of New York in 1999. As a partner U.S. lawyer at the Brooklyn-based office, he arraigned the cops who abused and physically attacked Abner Louima and drove the case towards capital punishment, which was subsequently upset. Against Ronell Wilson, who killed 2 individuals from the New York Police Division. From 2008 to 2010, Smith functioned as examination organizer for the workplace of the examiner of the Worldwide Crook Court in The Hague, Netherlands. There, he regulated bodies of evidence against government authorities and local army individuals blamed for atrocities and destruction. In 2010, Smith got back to the U.S. to become head of the U.S. branch of Equity's Public Honesty segment PUM. Among his most memorable obligations was assessing current examinations, and he suggested shutting examinations concerning a few individuals from Congress. He burned through 5 years as head of PIN, where he indicted an assortment of defilement cases, including those against Virginia-led Representative Bounce McDonnell, U.S. Delegate Rick Renzi, New York State Gathering Speaker Sheldon Silver, and Jeffrey Reel, a focal knowledge office specialist who shared public-privileged insights. In 2015, Smith turned into an aide U.S. lawyer in the Center Locale of Tennessee at Nashville. He turned into the acting U.S. lawyer in Walk 2017 upon the renunciation of David Rivera, and surrendered compelling September 2017 after the designation of Donald Q. Cochran. Smith turned into the VIP and head of suit for Medical Clinic Enterprise of America in 2017. May 7. 2018, Smith was named to a 4-year term as boss examiner for the Kosovo Expert Chambers in The Hague, exploring atrocities in the Kosovo War, including the instance of Salih Mustafa. He took up the post on September 11, 2018, and was designated to a subsequent term on May 8, 2022, preceding venturing down on November 18, 2022. United States Special Counsel. On November 18, 2022, US Principal Legal Officer Merrick Wreath delegated Smith exceptional insight to administer the criminal examinations concerning Donald Trump's activities in regards to the January 6 U.S. Legislative Center assault and Trump's dealing with and capacity of government records, including characterized reports at his blemish a Lego bequest. He worked at first from the Netherlands while recuperating from a cracked leg, harmed when he was struck by a bike while cycling. 6 by early January 2023, Smith had gotten back to the U.S. On June 8, 2023, A fantastic jury prosecuted Trump on 7 government criminal accusations connected with his treatment of ordered reports. This obvious the initial time in American history that a serving or previous president has been prosecuted on a government criminal accusation. On August 1, Trump was prosecuted by a fabulous jury on 4 more government crime counts connecting with his endeavors to upset the 2020 official political race and his direct during the assault on the Legislative Center. Awards: U.S. Department of Justice Directors Award, U.S. Attorney General's Award for Distinguished Service, Federal Bar Association's Younger Federal Attorney Award, Eastern District Association's Charles Rose Award, Henry L. Stimson Medal of the New York County Bar Association, Harvard Law School Wasserstein Fellowship. Personnel life. Smith is a cutthroat marathon runner, having taken up swimming when he was in his mid-30s. He has finished more than 100 marathons and something like 9 Ironman contests all over the planet. In July 2011, he wedded Katie Cheveney, a narrative producer known for turning into a 2020 narrative about Michelle Obama. They have a girl. The couple lived in the Netherlands beginning in 2018, preceding moving to Washington, D.C. In December 2022, soon after Smith was selected as unique direction